In this video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube thumbnails inside of Photopea.
So this is the interface of Photopea, which is kinda like Photoshop. What you want to do from here is name your project. We'll go over that in a second. Actually, let's just name our project and call it YouTube Thumbnail. Now click on Create. And now from here go to File, Open and Place. And import an image or object you want to use in the thumbnail. In this case, we're making a dark deception thumbnail, so I'll be using these images. Seems like we have to crop them because they have these things, which is obviously not what we want. So go to this rectangle thing on the left and drag the mouse to where you want to crop your images. Do this a few times. Next, go to Deselect to get out of cut mode. Move the image and scale it. Actually, let's remove the background from the image first. So go to Select. Remove BG. Sometimes it screws up, but just do the same thing again. There we go, much better. Now you can position the image to where you want. In my case, I'm putting this to the bottom left. Now let's adjust the brightness and contrast of the thumbnail. Click on New Adjustment Layer. Then go to Brightness and Contrast and adjust them to your liking, basically like so. I think like this is good. Next, we'll add some text. So go to the text button on the lower left of the screen. Then type in some words like full. This is how I did it for the video I showed you guys before. Looks like we need to make it bigger. You know what to do. Let's give our text some color because it's looking too plain for my liking. Go to the text layer, right-click, go to Blending Options, go to Color Overlay, and change the color of the text. We're gonna make it brownish yellow, just like this. Now click OK. Next, go to Drop Shadow and add it like this. And let's add a stroke to it also. Much better.
Now, let's duplicate this for our other text layer we'll be having, and it's gonna be the gameplay text. All you really have to do is change the text layer to blue and change full to gameplay. And let's scale it and position it one last time. And just like that, the thumbnail is basically done. So that's how to make YouTube thumbnails in Photopea, Photoshop's little brother. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. See you in the next video.